KTM DUKE 690. Gear indicator, installation demonstration. Let's take a look how the lamps are connected. Under the headlights, find the speed cable plug, connect the product. Connect green wire to white blue wire of tacho. Before product configuration, select B mode, toggle mode switch product power. Start the vehicle. Display L blinks quickly. Enter first gear. One display flashes. Uniform slow acceleration. And appears on the display. Stop accelerating. The display shows 2 into second gear. Average acceleration. And appears on the display. Stop accelerating. The display shows 3 into third gear.